Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here with Minimal Mondays. If you missed last week, this is a weekly series that I'm going to do every Monday where I give you three things. I'm going to give you a giveaway of some sort, something that I want to give to you from me. I'm also going to give you a quick tip for your home every week, along with I'm going to answer a viewer's question. Okay friends, I want to first start with the tip of the week, and this is a space saver for your freezer, because you know nowadays a lot of the freezers are very compact, there's really not a lot of space, and so I want to share with you how you can maximize the space when it comes to your meat. So a lot of times we have things like ground beef, ground turkey, things like that. Well, we'll put them in freezer bags and then we'll put them in our freezer. But I want to show you an efficient way so that you can maximize the space is by getting your freezer bag, putting your ground beef or ground turkey in the bag, then gently pressing down the meat so that it's flattened. This allows you to file the meat in your freezer, saving a tremendous amount of space. Okay, so now let's jump into the giveaway. So when I was thinking about what I wanted to give you this week, I thought about a video that I did last week on how I was starting to do my nails myself and not go to the nail salon because number one, it messes with my allergies, and then to save money, and then also the time. You know, I have to go all the time, and it's easier just to do it myself when I need it done. And so I showed you my little bag that I keep at work, and it's kind of like I call it my Manny lunch bag, so I can give myself manicures during lunch. So I thought it would be fun to create a little Manny bag for you. And so what I did this weekend, I went by the Coach outlet. I love the Coach outlet here. You can find so many cute things in there. And I found the cutest little bag for you. And I fell in love with this bag. It's so pretty. It's just simple black. I thought I'd go with classic black. You all know I love classic black anyway. And I thought that it would fit, you know, no matter who won, it would fit their style. So I thought it was the perfect size, really beautiful. I even picked you up the leather cleaner so that you can keep your bag looking great. So you'll also get that. So then I wanted to get you some fillers for the bag. And so I went by my local Ulta and I got you some goodies. So one thing that I got for your bag that I have in mind that I love is the nail polish stick. And it's the kind of stick where you can kind of clean up as you do your nails, you can clean around it. I love it because it's so simple and it has that fine tip, so it makes it super easy without messing up your nails. The other thing that I wanted to get you was some nail polish, but I wanted to get you this gel, the OPI gel set, because I thought that this would be neat because using this polish, it's saying that it will last up to 13 days, so you get that longevity that you need. And so I went with a neutral color because I thought that, you know, a lot of us love neutral, so I thought it was a safe bet. And it's a three-step gel system. So you use the step one first on your nail, and then you put the lacquer on as step two, and then the final coat. And your nails should last for at least 13 days, which is amazing. That's almost half a month. So I hope you will enjoy that system also. And then I had to go by, of course, TJ Maxx, because I knew that I could find the perfect clippers in there, and I wanted something that coordinated with your bag. So I found the black matte nail clippers, and they're cute and they're functional, so that will also go into your bag. And then lastly, nail files. And what I loved about this nail file here is that it had the case, and so that you can put all your nail files in a case, and that keeps it clean, and just stick it in your bag. So this whole set will go to one winner. To enter the giveaway, you have to be on my email list because it's easy for me to pick everyone from there, and you'll get my newsletter every week, which will have the winners in there. It gets emailed to you. Go to the link below, and all you have to do is give me your email address, and you're good to go. And every week you'll be entered. If you're already on my emailing list, you don't have to do anything. So, okay, so now let's move into one of your questions that I get a lot. And for this question, let's go into my living room because I get so many questions about the piece that is over my mantelpiece and where did I get it from. I actually got it when we lived in the UK. For my new subscribers, we were a military family. My husband's now retired from the Air Force, and when we lived in England, there was a store called, I want to say it was HomeSense that I got it from. It's kind of like the a version of Home Goods, and I got it from there. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I've had it for probably about almost 10 years now. I hope you all have enjoyed my Minimal Monday, and definitely if you missed my video where I announced my book and my home tour, you definitely check that out, link that below. If you're not subscribed, I would love to have you as a part of the At Home with Nikki family, so definitely click that subscribe button and leave me a comment and let me know what is your favorite nail color. I would love to know that. I think that's a fun share. So let me know in the comments, what is your favorite nail color? So friends, have a beautiful day. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.